So, all you business owners out there, we're coming for you.
Welcome all the locksmiths and anywhere you are at, but let's talk about locksmiths in Brooklyn, and let's talk about this keyword report. Welcome web designers and social media marketing influencers. Let's begin with this keyword discovery report, because knowing what your top keywords are will give you an unfair advantage over the competition. So let's get straight to the report targeting locksmiths Brooklyn. That includes local map strategy at Google My Business. Drum roll, please. Your top keyword phrase is locksmith, and we'll add locksmith Brooklyn. Estimated monthly search for just this one keyword alone that your customers are typing, 97,690. Could you benefit from traffic like this each month if your keyword phrase were number one? And wow, look at this golden lottery winning ticket found in the report. That's unheard of. That's probably not even true, but it's high. It's way high, higher than I thought. So it must be big. It's got to be all of New York City, not just Brooklyn. What if I were to tell you that you could win Google's AdWord lottery with this lucky keyword and always be at the top? Meaning, if you were number one for this keyword phrase, do you think you would benefit from all the traffic your website could receive? And could you imagine saving your business thousands each month? Some say winning Google's AdWord lottery is similar to skipping out on the pay-per-click monthly advertising rates. And I agree. For me, it would be like winning the lottery each month or coming out on top of the I'm feeling lucky button. So sign me up. Now, before I forget, let me know if you're interested in downloading this comprehensive Excel report. Instructions are in the description notes and at the end of this video. So with a minute or two left, I'm scrolling now down to the section, this long list of keywords that demo your top 6 keywords. Before getting there, notice the value of each keyword with their estimated monthly searches, and also the monthly savings you could receive. And the columns on the far right are empty on purpose, because without your permission, I'm unable to rank and give you a customized report. Just request your customized report by emailing mark@SEOgame.com, and I will customize this report with your exact rankings. So here are your top 6 keywords. Got them? Finally, close your eyes just for a second. Dream big that you're on the first page of any of these keywords in your location, especially in Brooklyn. Now open your eyes, wave that magic wand that's next to your table. Do you see it? It's probably just a pencil or something else that resembles a wand, but do it anyway. And then search on Google after this video presentation to see if your keywords are on the first page. Could that be possible? Is it possible? It could if you hired a performance-based SEO campaign expert and then patiently just wait 20 days out for results to appear on the first page. So what are you waiting for? Get performance-based SEO today. At last, check out your total summary of impressions and savings in these 2 columns up here. They add up. Do the math, and happy keyword hunting. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. And while you're at it, have some Google water. Ha! After you taste the fresh water from the natural spring, you'll never go back to paid search again. So what are you waiting for? Visit SEOgame.com to request an instant keyword report for your website. In order to receive the report, you'll have to click on Get Report. It's that easy. In each report, you'll receive tips on SEO gaming the lottery, asking the right questions when considering hiring your next SEO, and so much more. Finally, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments below.